What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones in the 8. Back with another video, back with a banger, man. As y'all can already see, you know, we put the spacers on in the last video, and it looked like it was clear, but you could tell my tires was rubbing. We here today. We about to cut this thing. We gonna cut, y'all know, probably from like here. From like here to here type shit. You know what I'm saying? Right at the line. We're gonna go right with the line. Ain't going too high. That should be good enough. Got this side off already. Gotta pull this side off. I already started, but I was like, nah, let me go ahead and pull the camera out before I finish. I've been doing a lot of stuff without opening up the camera. I'm gonna get this on film. I make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. On the road to 1K today. I'm gonna put another self-tapping screw right here to hold that bracket in before I go. You know what I'm saying? I might put another one right here too. And right back on in 1 second. We got both sides prepared, kind of taped up. Got that side taped up. Got this side taped up. You can see where the line, where the flare was at, so we ain't worried about nothing that's going past that. But I'm gonna draw a line from like, oh, my knees cracked. From, I guess like right here. That's a clip. Yeah, from like right here to the fender line, all the way across to that right here. Boom. Same thing on the other side. About to draw those out real quick. I'm gonna jack the car up a little bit off the ground just so I can have some clearance away from the wheel. And then we're gonna get the cutting, man. Ain't nothing to this shit. Got this jank marked up. That's how we're gonna go up. We should have clearance from there. Got this side marked up too. And then jack the car just a little bit. Get off the tire a little bit so I can have a little bit of room there, you know what I'm saying? Shh. Ain't never did this before, so y'all coming with me on my journey of doing this. Let's get it, man. Watching other videos. I ain't scared. I know how to use an angle grinder and shit. So we'll knock it out. Got the car jacked up a little bit. Think I'm finna start cutting. Y'all wish me luck, cause I need all of that I can get. Let's get it. Alright, gang, I know I skipped a little bit, but we got the jank back up there. Got the tape holding it in for now, and I came up short on this one, so I gotta run the auto zone, man, to get some more fucking 3M tape. Just gotta put this side back on and shit. We'll be good. Tape everything back up, cause there won't no way I was taking them spacers off. Go get this shit from AutoZone, man. I'm tired of spending money. Damn. My bad, y'all. I got the fender flares all the way back up there. Taped up. About to go. You can't see shit. Yeah, that's where that's at. Then come to the other side. Got that side taped back up. Gonna take this off in a little while and show y'all the final product. But right now, I'm gonna let it bake. Take it for a ride. Make sure that ain't shit rubbing. So I'll let y'all know in a second. Get all these markings also. If it do scrape again, we'll be able to know. But hopefully we good. Know what I'm saying? So, we'll be back in a minute, gang. It's a new day. Had to come to work this morning. Got all the tape off for the car. Everything back up there good. Gotta do a slight cut right here underneath this thing. But had to come to work. I'm gonna knock this joint up after this good old work day go past. So I'll update y'all. Be back in a little while, gang. We off and we back at it. Kinda skipped a little process, but I already got this joint marked up, as y'all can see on this side. And we already got this side marked up too. So we really just gotta jack it up and cut this joint. I got my Dremel tool inside the car. So, gotta get my mama to move up. She always parking the fucking halfway in the middle of the driveway. So I can't jack the car up while I was on the slant. About to get right into it. Gang, the flares back on. Everything look good. Just gotta, you know what I'm saying? Made a mistake and stop recording, but here go the piece and the gap that's missing. I think y'all can see it, but we should be good for the tires now. For sure. Now let's do the other side. I'm gonna let the Dremel cool down a little bit, then we're gonna get it in on this side. Alright, gang, we got that jank all the way cut out. Look like we should be clear. See, this is outside of the wheels now, so when she come down, she shouldn't scrape. But we about to take her for a ride right quick, then we'll be able to tell. Alright, gang, we rolling, and we ain't got no scratch, no straight. So that means we did what we needed to do. Yep, I can go over bumps without, you know what I'm saying, worrying about my shit scraping. Now I can go fast again too. Make sure y'all drop a W, thumbs up or something on this video, man. I hope I helped somebody out with them putting on wide body wheels and they jank stretching. Somebody video, it was a couple videos I watched to help me out, so I ain't even gonna just give one person credit. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, gang. I hope I helped somebody out getting their SRT or whatever right. I know if you got a Hellcat, Scat Pack, SRT8, anything like that, you're gonna have to raise that jank up. I mean, you're gonna have to cut. So depending on if you got bags or whatever, you're gonna have to cut deeper. But I ain't have to do all of that because I'm just running spacers. Probably a fit 305s now that I done cut though. So maybe I'll look into that. But until next time, gang, make sure y'all hit that like button. We out.